So I just want to do a quick video. I'm going to resolder this SOP 16. It is a 16 pin chip. I removed this chip off the board, tried to clean up the pads. It's got a lot of extra solder on it, and I'm just trying to position it here. Somewhat challenging. I think the most important thing when you try to solder one of these things on the board is to get it in the right place when you begin. I like to do the tacking method where you tack a pin down, make certain it's in the right place, and then solder after that with that one pin holding everything in place when you start. Now that it's basically tacked in place, I'm going to kind of put it slightly more where I want it to be and relieve some of the tension just by heating up the solder. This is the white flux by AMAOE M50. It is the M50 version of their flux. I really like this flux. It's easy to use and easy to clean. I use it mostly whenever I need to work on a board and I want to clean it up quickly. It's really my go-to. I'm not too happy with the way these look. Just going to use the hot iron and try to clean up each pin. I'm using the Mechanic M35 nano flux paste for this side. I really like this paste, this flux for certain applications. It is great to be able to see what I'm doing. It's good working with an iron. Things are nice and smooth. However, it's very difficult to clean, and with hot air, it tends to blow all over the board. So for what it is, I like it. I just don't like cleaning up after it. There's so much solder on each of these pins that I don't even need to add more to finish adding this back to the board. Never really compared the two solders this directly, but this stuff really does stay where it's supposed to. And the end result is a lot better. So I guess this is a win for mechanic. Thanks for watching.